Hey guys, Mike here from Wyre. When you're making a transaction on our platform using Bitcoin or using another wallet, you're gonna see a small fee attached to every transaction. That's called a miner's fee, and we're gonna explain what it is and why you're paying it. A miner is a computer that is responsible for checking all the transactions on the Bitcoin network. So if you're making a transaction on the Bitcoin network, this computer is keeping a running tab of all the other transactions that people are trying to make, and it's checking it all off like an accountant looking through a spreadsheet. The reason you're paying a miner's fee is because you are in a queue with thousands of other people that are also trying to get their transaction confirmed. You've got to give an incentive to want your transaction to be looked at first by the miners. So imagine we're at Safeway and there's a really long line. You are the equivalent of your transaction waiting to be checked out, basically. The checkout person is the miner, you are your transaction. Now that line starts getting really long. If you could wave your hand and say, I'm gonna give you $1 if I can go to the front of the queue, that's you basically saying, hey, I want the express checkout. That's the same as a miner fee. The more you pay, the more attractive you are to look at first and complete your transaction. When people are throwing money at me to check their transactions, there's no incentive basically to go for the people with the lower transactions. So I'm gonna try, in the idea of a supermarket, if people are paying to get to the front of the line, I'm gonna try and find the people willing to pay the most to get to the front of the line. Whether you're using our platform or your personal wallet, you're gonna see the fees change, and that's because just like a grocery store or a supermarket, the line's always changing, as is the activity on the Bitcoin network. And we're gonna adjust our fee to make sure that your transactions are always going through as fast as possible. As always, if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I'll chat to you next time.